Are you tired of losing access to your emails when the Wi-Fi drops? Learn how to work offline in Gmail in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps to enable offline mode in Gmail. Just follow along. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right to open the Settings menu. Now, click on See All Settings to access the full Settings panel. At the top of the Settings page, click the Offline tab to reveal offline options. Click on the Enable Offline Mail checkbox, and Gmail will display additional offline options. Then, choose your offline settings by clicking on Keep Offline Data on my computer. Finally, click on Save Changes to apply your settings. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.